too sexy to me.
Focus on me.
So sexy.
Focus on me.
Wag, 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 wag. Wag, 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 wag.
Tripping on skies, sipping water. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. What you gonna do with that dessert? Because I'm free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
Some people try, but they can't find the magic. Others get down on their knees and they
waiting for you to make a move before I make a move.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder.
All of the dots in the outbursts keep making love to each other, and I'm trying so to stay. Even if we're breaking down, we can find a way to break through.
It's starting to rain! Hey guys, so what's up? I know I didn't get to film the whole video out here. I kind of finished off camera and I'm sorry. I just added some Stila lipstick, which I think you saw in the shade Rico. Some glitter, of course, because they're fireworks, you know? And yeah, it's like really raining out here. It doesn't look like it, but it is. Oh my gosh, it's coming. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Am I making you sick? Whoa! Yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. Just wanted to say I hope your 4th of July is sunny and not rainy like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And oh, there's bees. There's bees flying around. Oh my gosh, can you hear it? Ah! Also, Twister vibes. Did anyone else see that movie? With the wind chimes? That's all I can think of now when I hear wind chimes. Wow, it's really coming down. I'm gonna go inside so I don't mess up my new camera. Speaking of which, tell me how you guys like it. It zooms. Ooh, so exciting. So yeah, okay, it's storming. I'm officially going inside. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh, it's so scary outside. It's raining!